Welcome to the Introduction to Desk Director License Reporter. In this video, we'll talk about the overview of DDCommand Extract Licensing Report. In this flow, we extract Microsoft licensing details using the MS Graph groups and users' actions. Specifically, we use list subscribed SKUs and get member license details to retrieve key data related to user licensing. The flow extracts three key sets of data: subscribed units, service plans, user licenses. To process service plans and user licenses, we call the HTTP request Clean License Details child flow. This flow formats the raw data into a more readable array, making it easier to work with. When it comes to user licenses, we use the HTTP with Microsoft Entra ID, invoke an HTTP request action. This is necessary because the list users action in MS Graph groups and users has a limit of 999 users. So this additional action allows us to retrieve all users in the organization without hitting that limitation. To begin with, we initialize a variable, var placeholder, array. This variable stores the license details for each member in an array. Next, the flow includes conditions to determine if the DDCommand send email with licensing report child flow will be triggered. The condition to run this flow is that the recipient's value should not be not applicable. If this condition is not met, the flow is terminated and no further actions are taken. And that wraps up the overview of the DDCommand Extract Licensing Report. In the next video, we'll learn about how to send email with licensing report.